What's good, guys? Welcome to the channel. We out here. We got young Alex out here with us. Say what's up.
What's up, dude?
Sodded.
What's up?
We got his young Tegra looking fresh. Wow. 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 Wow.
Yeah.
And today I'm just gonna be heading out to a car meet here, maybe like 20 minutes away from my house, and we got the GTI looking pretty fresh, I would say. Just cleaned her up a little bit. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, let's go. I think I know what our first stop has to be. We'll catch you guys on the way there. Okay, so, like, I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the gas station. It's like so close. It's like right over there. We got Alex right there. Focus. Focus. Let's go. Guys, and my car didn't die. Well, now that should be enough to get me to where I'm going. Let's head out. We're rolling up to the meet right now, and let's check it out real quick, see how it is. Sodded. Would you sell me those wheels? I don't know. Are they? Where we at, bro?
Huh?
Where we at?
JSR.
Hey.
I'll trade you those.
Ah, so you want to trade?
Nice, yeah.
Trace around, man. Oh, there's a Mustang. Watch out, there's a Mustang right there, bro. Straight pipe gang. Straight pipe gang. So we out here, guys. I mean, there's some pretty cool cars, right? We out here just got some pretty cool cinematic shots of some Hondas. Hey, look at this Mustang, bro. That's that fucking scandalous ass G. Where'd it go? Where is it at?
Wait, that was over there at the shopping center.
Hey, hold on, I'm trying to get that. Oh, so now it doesn't do anything anymore. What is that? What is that? What is that? What? So we out here. This guy has like almost ain't shit like 10 times. Oh well. Bro, this is why I wouldn't work at Sonic. Because I'd be eating hella shit. I think we're about to leave right now. We're gonna get going. Everybody's starting to leave. So we just left the meet right now. He's already trying to race. Let's go.